Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out-solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. So let us firstly see what is instantaneous speed. So it is equal to the speed at an interval of time. So if we talk about instantaneous speed, then the speed of an object at any given instant of an object at any given instant. So we can determine it by finding out the average speed over very short distances in time. We know that average speed V average is equals to delta x by delta t. So if we say that here limit of delta t tends to 0, then we can say that here V instantaneous will be equals to dx by dt. So it is the speed of a particle at any instant of time. Now we will talk about instantaneous velocity. Second part is instantaneous velocity. So instantaneous velocity is the velocity of an object at a particular instant of time. So it is the velocity of an object at a particular instant of time. Particular instant of time. We can find it by putting the limit of delta t tends to 0 in formula of average velocity. We know that average velocity is equals to delta x vector by delta t. So if delta t tends to 0, then V instantaneous, this is V instantaneous, that will be equals to dx vector by dt. We know that displacement is generally less than or equals to distance. Displacement is generally less than or equals to distance. So we can say that instantaneous speed will generally be greater than or equals to instantaneous velocity. So instantaneous speed will be equals to or greater than instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. So this is all about instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.